Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we explore the world of interior design and provide you with the best tips and ideas for creating a beautiful home. In today's episode, we're diving into the realm of dining tables. Whether you're looking for inspiration or need guidance on choosing the perfect dining table, we've got you covered. So, grab a seat and let's embark on a journey through the top 100 dining table designs and 50 essential tips for selecting the ideal one. We've scoured the globe to bring you an incredible collection of dining table designs that are sure to leave you inspired. From classic to contemporary, rustic to modern, and everything in between, there's a dining table out there to suit every taste and style. Let's take a closer look at some of these stunning designs. Classic elegance, a timeless wooden table with intricate carvings and a rich finish, exuding sophistication and charm. Minimalist chic, a sleek and clean-lined table made of glass and metal, perfect for modern and minimalist interiors. Farmhouse charm, a rustic farmhouse table crafted from reclaimed wood, showcasing natural imperfections in a warm, welcoming feel. Industrial edge, a sturdy table with an industrial-inspired design, featuring metal accents and a distressed finish for a raw, edgy look. Scandinavian simplicity, a Scandinavian-style table with clean lines, light wood tones, and a minimalist aesthetic, emphasizing functionality and simplicity. Now that we've shown you some stunning designs, let's delve into our top 50 tips for choosing the perfect dining table for your home. Whether you're hosting elegant dinner parties or looking for a cozy family gathering spot, these tips will help you make an informed decision. Determine your dining space. Measure the area where you plan to place the table to ensure it fits perfectly. Consider the room's dimensions and layout. Shape and size. Decide on the shape and size of the table that best suits your space and accommodates the number of people you usually host. Materials and finishes. Explore different materials such as wood, glass, marble, or metal, considering durability, maintenance, and aesthetic appeal. Style and aesthetic. Consider your existing decor and choose a table that complements the overall style of your home. Leg designs. Pay attention to leg designs as they can significantly impact the table's overall look. Options include pedestal, trestle, or four-legged designs. Tabletop options. Decide between solid wood, glass, stone, or laminate tabletops based on your preferences and lifestyle. Seating capacity. Ensure the table can comfortably seat everyone, allowing enough space for guests to move around. Comfortable seating. Choose chairs that provide adequate support and comfort for extended periods of sitting. Table height. Opt for a table height that allows for comfortable dining and legroom. Maintenance and durability. Assess the maintenance requirements and durability of the table material to ensure it can withstand daily use. Child and pet friendly. If you have young children or pets, consider a table that is resistant to spills, scratches, and easy to clean. Versatility. Think about how the table can be repurposed for different occasions or used in other areas of your home. Lighting considerations. Take into account the lighting in the dining area and how it interacts with the table's surface and finish. Table weight. Consider the weight of the table, especially if you anticipate moving it frequently or rearranging your space. Storage options. If you have limited storage space, look for tables with built-in storage or expandable features. Proportion and scale. Ensure the table proportionally fits the dining area, considering the size and layout of the room. Extension options. If you frequently host larger gatherings, consider a table with extension leaves to accommodate extra guests. Let's continue with our tips on choosing the perfect dining table. Budget. Environmental impact. If sustainability is a priority, explore tables made from eco-friendly materials or those with sustainable production practices. Seek expert advice. Consult with an interior designer or furniture specialist for personalized recommendations based on your specific needs and style preferences. That concludes our comprehensive guide to dining table design and choosing tips. We hope you found it helpful and inspiring as you embark on your dining table journey. Remember, your dining table is not just a functional piece of furniture, but also a centerpiece for gatherings and cherished memories. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interior design content. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your favorite dining table design or any tips you found useful. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy decorating.